Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Stacy and Libby's channel, but the segment I call it Stacy's Cooking Show. If you're new here, the segment I call Stacy's Cooking Show, and if you're here a long time ago, you should have known by now. So guys, I'm about to make some pineapple chicken. It's been a while I've made some pineapple chicken, so as you can see here, this is my chicken going. I want them to be golden brown, so I'm just waiting on it. So I'll checking back with you guys and show you guys what I'm doing. Stay tuned. So now they're looking just like how I wanted them to be. Yes guys, so if you're new here guys, a warm welcome to you. If it's your first time here, a warm welcome to you, and thanks for coming back to my old subscribers, and for my viewers, pick up yourselves. Yes guys, when I said viewers, I'm talking about the people who watch but they don't comment, nor like, nor subscribe. Pick up yourselves. Yes guys, so I'm gonna show you guys the outcome of this pineapple chicken. Stay tuned. So this batch is ready to come out guys, and let me fix this up. I said to my viewers who doesn't like, subscribe or share or comment, let me fix it up. To my silent viewers, because everybody is a viewer who watch, right? Everybody who watches a viewer. So my silent viewers, pick up yourself. So guys, this is the chicken, this is the breast part of the chicken I used to do the pineapple chicken. So this batch is ready. I'm gonna take it out. Let's stay tuned. As you can see guys, this is my seasons for the pineapple chicken. I have bell peppers, thyme, garlic, scallion, onion and tomato. And over here I have some honey. I have the pineapple chunks right here. I have salt right there. I'm going to use a little tip of salt. So what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to use some sweet and sour salt. So it's going to be sweet and sour pineapple chicken, right? I'm going to use some hot pepper. My hot pepper is almost finished, as you can see there. It's almost finished. I have to get myself another bottle. And I love the Grace hot pepper. This is the pepper I use. I'm gonna use some tomato ketchup as well. So I'm still having some chicken over there frying, because not all of my kids eat the pineapple chicken. So I'm just doing one set of fried chicken for them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make my sauce. I'm gonna use my seasons, a little tip of oil, and then I'm gonna finish up my pineapple chicken and show it to you guys. Just stay tuned. So guys, as you can see, I add the chicken in the sauce right now, and I'm gonna cover the pot for a few, and then it's gonna be ready. So all the ingredients I showed you earlier guys, everything is in this pot right now. Yes, so just stay tuned for the outcome guys. This is it guys, this is the outcome. If you all want me to share some for you all, you can hold your all plates. I'll be willing to. Remember to give me a thumbs up guys, leave some comments down below and share me out if you can.